Hey, I'm Delisha Gowan with America's Home Place in the Oxford, Alabama location. I just wanted to talk about my favorite house plan today. Over the years that I have been here, there have been several and a lot of different house plans that I have really loved, but I think the most that I have fallen in love with is going to be the Berglund house plan. I love the Berglund because it's just an open plan, and it has plenty of space for entertaining, and I could just picture me with my family spending time just living day to day there. Another great feature with the Berglund L is going to be the back covered porch. If you like spending time outdoors or entertaining outdoors, then that would be a great plan. So that is why the Berglund L is my favorite plan. And again, we just hope to see you at your nearest America's Home Place. And my name is Delisha Gowan. Thank you.